Hi guys. So gold has reached an all-time high and a lot of people are making a lot of money from gold. So I've made a lot of pips from this gold rally. So right now, let's analyze gold and see what more opportunities we've got left in the market. Let's go. So currently we are on the monthly chart. This is monthly. So I'm going to take, this is the all-time high. That is the all-time high that gold has actually come to. I'm just going to go down to the weekly so we can see things properly. This point here used to be an all-time high. This used to be an all-time high. And what happened here? Gold got to the same all-time high. After it got there, it went all the way down and went back up and still got to the same all-time high. Retraced back down, created a new all-time high. It created a new all-time high. So what now that we've touched the all-time high, what do we expect from this market? What are we really expecting from this market? Let me go to the daily so we can see things clearly. So on the daily, let me put this trend line here for us to understand things clearly. So this is what gold was doing, and this is what gold was doing. So gold reached an all-time high here, came back into structure, got stuck in this falling channel, finally broke out of the channel and went straight to the all-time high. I actually did a lot of buys within this space because we all know this is how price behaves. Price broke out of a falling channel, is definitely going back to the next visible resistance, which here is the next visible resistance here is the all-time high. So we are currently at an all-time high. What are the possibilities for gold? So as you notice in the past, whenever gold hits an all-time high, it falls back into structure, it retests various positions in structure before going back up. So in our case here, looking at this chart, this zone here is our former resistance that price broke. We still got a couple here. These are all former resistance in the market that gold broke to get to its all-time high. So what are we currently expecting from gold? The expectation is a fall back into structure, which means gold moves from here back into this zone and then it can begin to go back up. Or gold moving from here, get past all these zones, drop back into this zone as well and begin to go back up. These are the two possibilities from a drop back. However, if we still see a major push in the market, if we see a proper bullish push in the market to get gold past the all-time high, a good major point in the market is going to be this 22 zone here, 2,200 zone. That's the next major zone in the market to have gold go to. However, the rally from here to the all-time high is actually a very strong rally. When price makes those great moves, it mostly slows down at a point. It slows down at a point. So right now, what we are expecting from prices, we are expecting some form of slow down process here at the all-time high. We are expecting price to slow down. So when we start seeing price doing some form of consolidation, daily candles are finishing around the zone, daily candles are not being strongly bullish anymore, that is bearish pressure coming into the market. That's selling pressure coming into the market. And that pressure is definitely going to take us all the way back down, to this zone. So short term, if gold begins to show bearish pressure around this all-time high, short term, we're looking at a move back down to this former resistance, and perhaps another move back down to this lower resistance. However, in my own experience of trading gold and making a lot of pips from gold, this level here is going to cause some form of restraint for gold to further go up in the short term. So in the short term, we are looking at sells back down into the zone. Our indicators for this sell is daily candle finishes. We want daily candles to finish in this zone and be bearish. We want daily candles to finish in this zone and be a doji candle. Then we know we are getting signals for the sell. Don't get these signals on the H4 because this is an all-time high. You get these signals from a daily finish. Daily finishes can actually be trusted more than H4 finishes. So at the all-time high, I'm actually bearish on gold coming all the way down to this zone here or coming back down into this major zone before we look to create another all-time high. Thank you guys.